So you have decided you want a cool looking car that looks like a supercar but is a lot more affordable. Well, this here is the Vaydor G35 Coupe, and it's a really cool looking car. Some of you may have guessed it's based on an Infiniti G35 Coupe or the Nissan G35 Skyline. The Vaydor is special because it looks different from other cars out there. Did you know it was the car that the Joker used in Suicide Squad? A lot of people were wondering if it was a real car or not. Anyway, you can build this car yourself. You need a special car called Infiniti G35 Coupe from the years 2003 to 2007, and that car costs around about 10,000 US. Then you'll need to do some cosmetic work to the car. The kit to build the Vaydor G35 itself costs around 21,000 US. If you want the inside to look the part and not look like a Infiniti or a Skyline, you can add the custom interior for about another 5,000. In total, it's about 36,500 to build the Vaydor G35. You can also get extras like special wheels and tyres for another 5,000, but you can also use ones you find yourself. Some people might want some really good Brembo brakes for another 5,000, but it's up to you. So if you add everything up and include in some extra money for possible repairs and help, it's around 40 to 60,000, not including taxes. The Vaydor G35 is made by a company called Carolina Vaydor, and it's a super fancy looking car. So people might think it's super fast, but right out of the box, it's not the fastest. You might go from 0 to 60 in about 6 seconds, which means other cars at the traffic lights might be a bit quicker than yours. That is when people spend more money to swap out the V6 drivetrain for something like a 2JZ Turbo or an LS V8 supercharged to really make this car accelerate. Some people really love their Vaydor cars and have spent more money, sometimes up to 120,000 US, to build them exactly how they want them to be. If you have the know-how and enjoy a good DIY project, this might be for you. It's a shame here in Australia that if you were to build this car, you'd have to jump through a lot of hoops to get this car approved for Australian design rules to be driven on our roads. It is a shame. Let me know in the comments what you think about these cars, and until next time, please consider subscribing, and I have more cool videos on the way. Thanks for watching.